Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to NetTech tutorials, and today on this video I will show you how you can clear internet browsing history on Firefox browser. So this tutorial is only for clearing internet browsing history for Firefox browser. So if you want to clear the history on any other browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer, I will put the link for that in the description below. You can check those videos. So let's get started. So to clear the internet browsing history on Firefox, let's open the Firefox browser first. Now once you open the Firefox browser, we have to click on this menu here. Click here and you can see the history. Click on history. So here you will see some recent history that we used in Firefox. Now with this, there's an option to delete recent history, to delete all of Firefox history. So click clear recent history. And now you can see the time ranges to clear. So you can either select last hour, last 2 hours or today everything. So I will select everything. You can select what time ranges you wanna clear. So select it and you can see what is wanna clear. So browsing and download history, active logins from and search history, cookies, cache, and site preference, offline, website data, everything. So select all those are history and click here. It will erase all the browsing history from your browser. If we check the history by clicking on the menu again, we'll see that the recent history has been deleted along with all the browsing history of our Firefox browser. So this is how we can enter browsing history on Firefox browser. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel.